We're going for a stroll, you guys. We tried to get a marriage license, but we have to call a number, which is annoying, but that's okay. We're just going to Dollar Haven to get one thing from Dollar Haven. So that's what we're doing. Grace is gonna pass out.
She is passed out, man.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Guys, so right now, you guys, Grace is getting her hearing test. Yeah, that's what's going on. So that's gonna be fun and exciting. Hearing test.
Like literally, it was like 5 seconds.
Technically, got in, and
Passed
then
her hearing test
yeah,
like
nailed
immediately. They're like, yeah, good hearing, both ears.
boom, done. So she
First
passed
try,
her
guys.
first try.
Apparently, babies don't always pass. Saying she's literally the superior baby. I'm joking. But oh my gosh.
So that's what's going on. Grace is holding her head up like that, like me, you guys. Look, like she's so hungry. She just woke up from a 2-hour nap. You would say?
Yeah.
About 2-hour nap, you guys. She just woke up, so that's pretty cool and exciting. Peas and pierogies and Tex Mex chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Grace was wide awake earlier.
I think she's fallen asleep again.
Yeah.
Oh, she was like super eyeballed.
Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up, and Grace says goodbye. Ready? Goodbye.
Is she asleep now?